Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol GALE. That's Galena Biopharma Incorporated. The chart we're looking here today at is a 2-hour chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 2 hours of trading. We go back a few days, but really I want to focus on the last few candles that we had. And I want to first give out a shout out to Nick on StockTwits. Thank you for bringing this one to my attention. He did watch the prior video, and he reminded me that GALE would break at 218. Rather, if it did break at 218, we could potentially see a run. And indeed, it broke 218, which is why we're focusing on this area here. And it found support, didn't crash down, so definitely going to be watching this next week for a potential day trade, because Galena does have gap up potential to $2.50. So that's going to be a real nice 15% gain or so if you can day trade this up to 250. And of course, if it breaks 250, you can get in there again for the play to the next resistance level. But that's, you know, kind of a bit of a stretch. But I think it's definitely viable that we could maybe get to 250 next week. So let's take a look at some of those indicators. Simple moving averages, all real bullish. 13, 20, 50, the order we want to see. Relative strength index making higher highs on the RSI there. Let's take a look at where we went overbought. Went overbought over here. And the last area we really went overbought was over here. So higher highs on the RSI. You know, we were kind of leveled out here, and this is the first higher overbought area that we have on the chart. So definitely looking good for a day trade. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one. Really, this is a short analysis. There's not much to say. I just wanted to thank Nick for bringing this to my attention, because honestly, I forgot to set an alert at 218, because I definitely wanted to keep an eye on this one if it broke 218, but I forgot to set that alert, and if he didn't tell me about it, I might have missed this. So thank you, Nick. Definitely going to put an alert on 218 now to see if it dips down and bounces off, and I'm going to put it on my watch list for potential day trade for next week. So I think it's worth watching. He's absolutely right. He said that now that GALE is at 222 and held all day over 218, is it a good time to buy? And you know what? I don't know if it's a good time to buy or not, but I definitely think it's worth watching, and buying it is up to your discretion. I can't give direct financial advice, of course, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be watching this for a potential day trade at 250, so sounds like a good play to me. If you guys enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up or a comment, you know, whatever you want, and I'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a good one.